Racing just is started. We have El Indio. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Jade and Diamond. Race Spark Boy. Then next on Lenny's Hasit coming. Forever Young. And on the outside comes Shining Gold. Then followed over by Shut Up My Treasure. While Paragood's Order is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. We have El Indio. By about a length, moving up on the outside, Jade and Diamond. Grace Park Boy is racing in third. 3 lengths further back in fourth comes Shining Gold. Then followed over by Forever Young. Has it coming. Shut Up Paragood's Order second last, while My Treasure now racing in last. Back to the leader, El Indio. By over the neck, moving up on the outside, Jade and Diamond. Grace Park Boy is racing in third. Shining Gold now moving up on the outside to take third. Then followed over by Forever Young. Shut Up Paragood's Order has it coming, while My Treasure is still racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Jade and Diamond. Moving up on the outside, Shining Gold as they swing for home. Jade and Diamond by our length and a half. Shining Gold in second. Grace Park Boy. Shut Up Paragood's Order. Last 75 meters, we have Jade and Diamond. Shining Gold. Paragood's Order is on the outside, and finally, Jade and Diamond. Shining Gold close. Paragood's Order and Grace Park Boy. Then comes Shut Up.
Sobrang partida yung uno, no?
Yes.
Iwan na iwan, pero nandun siya dun sa